There was a time when iOS used to be considered boring because it lacked customization, or I would rather say personalization feature to add a personal touch to your setup. Then came iOS 17, which added depth effects for wallpapers, and since then users can also add widgets to their lock screen. But the iOS 18 took the customization game a notch higher. Yes, pun intended. So in today's video, let's see, or rather learn, how you can customize your lock screen and add a personal touch to your iPhone. So what is the first thing comes to your mind when I say customization? Well, it is wallpaper, because that is the most fundamental thing you can set on your iPhone to customize it, and let's start with it. So first and foremost, you need to go onto your lock screen, tap and hold over here, tap on add icon, and from this set of wallpapers you can add whichever you like. Alternatively, you can also go into the settings app, scroll down, wallpaper, add new wallpaper, and from here you can add wallpaper of your choice. So basically these are the two ways you can set wallpapers. So first and foremost, you can set photos, or if you want to set a person, you can also set as well. Similarly, you can set photo shuffle. Basically this is one of my favorite, as this allows you to set multiple photos as wallpaper on your iPhone. Next is live photos. You can set live photos as wallpaper as well. Emojis, color, astronomy, and of course weather. As you scroll down, you have multiple set of wallpapers suggested for you. For example, here are the featured suggested photos. As you can see, photo shuffle already made by iOS for you, weather and astronomy, kaleidoscope, emoji, and my bad, I'm running iOS 18, so there is a bug in the wallpaper section where some of the wallpapers might not be loaded, and let me just load it again for you guys. Kaleidoscope, emoji, unity, pride, and of course iOS 18's native wallpaper, and the old collection one, and you can also set colors as your wallpapers. We will gonna select, let's go with iOS 18 one, and let's select this one. This looks good. So at the top section, you can change the widget, and I would rather go with Facebook because it tells me about birthdays on today's date. Next, you can also change the manuscript and font style of clock. Here are some of them, and my preferred one is this one, but this won't allow us to set the stroke width, but let's go with this one for today's video. And now you can set the width of the stroke, and similarly you can also change the manuscript as well by just tapping on this globe icon, and you will have multiple manuscripts. Like you can set it to Arabic Eastern, and you can also set it to Gujarati, you can also set it to Devanagari, and there are multiple choices you can select from. And for now, let's select Arabic and Western. And right at the bottom, you will have multiple choice of colors. You can select any colors of your choice. Let's go with this one. Now this looks ugly. I'll just go with this one. Okay, looks fine. Okay. And now, in the third section, you can also add widgets of your choice. My preferred is, of course, battery and health, and of course, weather. So these are my preferred widgets on my lock screen. As we go down further, you will have this option which will allow you to set depth effect on and off. Well, there is a catch to use depth effect on wallpapers, and that is you might need to remove widgets from the third section because they won't allow iOS to put depth effect on wallpapers, as they will interfere with it. So let's remove these first, and tap on the minus icon and they will be removed. And if you go just down and tap here again, and you will have the option of depth effect on, and if you don't want it, you can just turn it off, but I would rather prefer to be it on. On the other side, you will have this option which will allow you to select light mode or dark mode for your wallpaper if it supports. So iOS 18 wallpaper supports dark and light mode, and I would prefer the dark mode, and as you can see, it looks just phenomenal. Now with iOS 18, you can change controls on your lock screen, which was not possible earlier. We only had to use flashlight and camera as lock screen controls, but now they are customizable. So to customize these controls, you need to remove them first. Let's remove the flashlight and tap on the placeholder. And over here, you will have multiple options, multiple controls to choose from. You can set alarm, you can set dark mode, you can also set home controls and whatnot else. I would prefer it to be, let's go with the music recognition. And if I just minus this and add another one, and I would rather go with scan QR code. And once done, tap on add. So now if you're satisfied with your customization, you can set as wallpaper pair. But if you need to add more customization to your home screen, you can just customize home screen. You can set color, you can also set gradient, or you can set a totally different photo as well as your wallpaper on your home screen. And I don't want to do that. I just want to add blur. So I'll just tap on this, and as you can see, blur has been added on our home screen. So simply just tap on done, and over here our home screen is ready with customized lock screen. So now you have successfully customized your lock screen to your liking with ease. Another easy thing you can do is just subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon so that you get notified on each and every content we post. As well as if you find this video useful, then make sure you press the like button and let YouTube know we are doing some good work, and do share this video with your friends as well. And meanwhile, you can also go to the App Store, download iGeeksblog app and enjoy everything Apple content and amazing wallpapers I can vouch for. And on this note, this is me Samir signing off, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, tada, see ya.